láyé bí ọdún o mo jogún owó mo jogún ọmọ mo jogún àlàáfíà èmi ò mẹ́mu tó kàn rárá mo mẹ́mu àsìkò àníláyé bí ọdún o oníláyé bí ọdún o mo jogún owó mo jogún ọmọ mo jogún àlàáfíà èmi ò mẹ́mu tó kàn rárá mo mẹ́mu àsìkò mi ò jẹ yán ọgbẹrẹ mi ò jẹ lálásèpọ̀ èmi ò jẹ súwé wúrà èmi ò mẹ́mu tó kàn rárá mo mẹ́mu àsìkò àníláyé bí ọdún o oníláyé bí ọdún o oníláyé bí ọdún o. The drum speaks of ages long gone, when dreams banked on the shore of fortune, days of fun and laughter, harmony and prosperity, when the patter of the newborn made music fit for the ears of the gods. Those were the days of fun and plenty, when Abiodun reigned in Oyo. The drum speaks mysteries. The drum foretells the future. The drum speaks many tongues. The drum respects no one. No, not even the drummer. See, the drummer of Orile, he worked so hard and traveled so far, he forgot his own roots. Now nobody remembers his name. The drummer of Ajana, he boasted to all of his prowess and his dexterity. He grew leprous fingers, and his voice lost its luster. Now he only sings for the demons in the evil forest. I, Scion of the brave, born on a humid day in the season of turmoil, I shall not forget my history, the long, difficult road I have walked, and my responsibility to the world. Spread joy, the drum bellows. Spread joy. Oh yes, my Lord and Master. I shall play your rhythm of regeneration, that the women may sing joyfully as they haggle in the crowded marketplace where 4 villages gather rumor. I play this rhythm that the children may play gleefully in the easing rain and in the cool sand on quiet days. I play this rhythm that the men may laugh heartily on their return to the palm wine bars from the daily road of toil. I play this rhythm gently, lest I be rebuked by the ancestors. I play it loud and urgent, that the evil may hear and tremble. Departed masters of melody, lords of the rhythm, I kneel humbly before you. May holy sweet songs of blessings issue forth from my mouth. Let happiness be the lot of my listener. The drum speaks of ages long gone, and mysteries only revealed in transient trances. So dance, beautiful maiden, dance. Wiggle your supple middle, swirl your waist beads. I shall sing you a song of harvest, a song of celebration, a song in celebration of days long gone, days of fun and laughter, when Abiodun reigned in Oyo, in Oyo, in Oyo. Ẹ ṣeun.
That's